Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the sound effects on the Dragon City application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the second option, the sounds, and just click to the yes button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.